Dear students, now we are discussing a new portion of the first chapter area. Here you can see the question. Draw a quadrilateral and then draw a triangle of same area. You do with the instrument box, and I am here using GeoGebra. First, we draw a quadrilateral. Here, a quadrilateral ABCD. A quadrilateral ABCD. We cut the quadrilateral into two triangles by drawing a diagonal. This is the diagonal. By drawing a diagonal, we cut the quadrilateral into two triangles. ഇപ്പോൾ ക്വാഡ്രിലാറ്ററൽ രണ്ട് ട്രയാങ്കിളായി മാറി. ടോട്ടൽ ഏരിയ ഓഫ് ദ ക്വാഡ്രിലാറ്ററൽ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ടോട്ടൽ ഏരിയ the sum of areas of these two triangles. Let us mark this triangle as 1. The first triangle as 1 and the second triangle as 2. ABCD എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ക്വാഡ്രിലാറ്ററലിൻ്റെ ഏരിയ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഫസ്റ്റ് ട്രയാങ്കിളിൻ്റെയും സെക്കൻഡ് ട്രയാങ്കിളിൻ്റെയും ഏരിയൻ്റെ സമ്മാണ്. First remaining constant, the first triangle remaining constant, and I want to change the second triangle. The second triangle is to be changed into a new triangle of same area. For that, draw a parallel line to this diagonal through C, and we can move this point anywhere on this line. No change in the area 2. Here change ചെയ്തു. ഇപ്പോഴും ABCD എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ക്വാഡ്രിലാറ്ററൽ തന്നെയാണ്. ഇനിയും ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ മതി. ദിസ് പോയിന്റ് ക്യാൻ ബി മൂവ്ഡ് എനിവെയർ ഓൺ ദിസ് പാരലൽ ലൈൻ. ദർ ഇസ് നോ ചേഞ്ച് ഇൻ ദ ഏരിയ ഓഫ് ദിസ് ട്രയാങ്കിൾ. നൗ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഓൾസോ എ ക്വാഡ്രിലാറ്ററൽ, 4 sides. മൂവിങ് again. Now it is also a quadrilateral, and again moving, and at a certain point the quadrilateral become a triangle ABC, the triangle ABC of same area as that of the quadrilateral. This point can be moved upwards. This is the given quadrilateral, and this point can be moved anywhere on this line, on the parallel line. And at a certain point, the quadrilateral become a triangle. This triangle has the total area as that of the quadrilateral. And in your notebook you cannot move a point. How can you draw it in your notebook? This is the given triangle, and you mark a point on the parallel line where the AB touches the parallel line. AB touches the parallel line. You extend the parallel line AB to the parallel line. This is the given triangle, and here mark a point where on the parallel line where the AB touches the parallel line here, and also a point on the parallel line where AD touches the parallel line here. You can draw a triangle either at point E or at point F. If you draw a triangle at E, then the new triangle has the same area as that of the second triangle. Now the quadrilateral has become a triangle. You can draw a triangle also at F. Now also you get a triangle here ABF. ABF. Here the triangle AED. Triangle AED and triangle ABF. Both of them have the same area as that of the quadrilateral. You draw only one, either AED or ABF. And shade the triangle. Whether you have any doubts, please ask me in your WhatsApp group. Thank you, all of you.